Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Make It Yourself. Today I'm excited to share with you a fun and easy crochet project that's perfect for Easter or just as a sweet reminder for someone you love. In this video I will show you how to create this adorable bunny face that can be used as a pocket hug or can also be used to stitch onto blankets and hats. Let's get started. So we are going to start off by making a magic ring, and then I'm going to chain 3. I would also like to point out that the details related to the yarn used and the hook size and other things used in today's video will be available in the description part of the video, so do refer to the description as well. So here we are completing the other 2 chains so that we have a total of chain 3, and now I'm going to make 3 treble crochet into this magic ring. So this is the first treble crochet. So for a treble crochet you yarn over twice and then pull a loop under the magic ring, pull through 2 loops at a time, and you do this 3 times. So pull under the ring and pull through the first set, pull through the second set, and pull through the third set. Now you're going to make 3 double crochets into the magic ring. So this is the first double crochet, the second double crochet, and the third double crochet. So this is the third double crochet, and once you're done with the third double crochet you're going to chain 1 and going to make another treble crochet. So for a treble crochet, yarn over twice, pull under the magic ring and pull through 2 loops at a time for 3 sets of loop. So here I'm going to tell you that I'll be making 2 different patterns for the year, and you can follow whichever pattern suits you the best. So for this first pattern I'm going to start off with a chain of 6, and then I'm going to make 1 DC on the third stitch from the hook. So first, second, third. So into the third stitch make 1 double crochet, into the fourth stitch make 1 more double crochet, into the fifth stitch from the hook make 1 half double crochet, and into the sixth stitch from the hook we are going to make a single crochet. After that we are going to insert our hook into the base 2 loops. So we have these 2 loops here at the base. Here we're going to insert a hook and make a slip stitch. So here one ear is ready. So this is a roundish kind of ears, and in the second part I'll also show you how to make the pointy ears as well. So here to just make 6 single crochet, we'll repeat the same pattern for the second ear also. So make a double crochet on the third stitch from the hook. So make a double crochet followed by another double crochet in the next stitch, followed by a half double crochet, and followed by 1 single crochet. And after this we are going to insert a hook into the same 2 loops that we did for the first ear. So this is the 2 loops, insert your hook inside under it and make a slip stitch. So this is the first set of bunny ears. So now let me show you the second pattern. The remaining part of the video is same for both. So I am starting off after the treble crochet that we made. So after that, instead of chaining 6, here I am chaining 9. So after chaining 9 into the next stitch, that is skip the very first stitch, and into the next stitch, that is second stitch from the hook, make a slip stitch. Into the very next stitch make 1 single crochet, Into the very next stitch make one half double crochet, and into the very next stitch make a double crochet, followed by one treble crochet. So yarn over twice and pull through 3 sets of loops, followed by another double crochet, followed by a half double crochet, and the last one is a single crochet. So here too, at the end we are going to, so here you see we have the pointy ears, and insert your hook into these 2 loops at the base and make a slip stitch. For the other ear, follow the same pattern of making a chain of 9, making a slip stitch, a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, a treble crochet, another double crochet, another half double crochet, a single crochet, and then slip stitch into the same 2 loops at the base. So we did the same for the other set of ears also, and after this the pattern remains same for both. So we are going to chain 1 and we are going to make 3 double crochets first. So this is the first double crochet, this is the second double crochet, and this is the third double crochet. After this we are going to make 3 treble crochet. So here the part where we made the ears, only there we had made the change, but the remaining pattern remains exactly the same. So the treble crochet that we have at the middle, on top of that we will be making the ears, and the ears pattern only differ. The remaining part of the video for the face of the bunny remains exactly the same for both the type of ears. So we are going to make a chain of 3 and then we are going to slip stitch to this magic ring. So slip stitch into the magic ring, and we are going to chain 1 and chain 1 and pull the yarn tight to form a knot and trim it off. So here our very simple bunny face is ready. We have to pull the tail yarn to close the magic ring as tight as possible so that the hole in the center is closed. Once it is closed, we are going to use the other tail yarn and we are going to place a knot using both the tail yarns. And now we are going to hide these tail yarns by either using a needle and stitching them into the existing stitches, or you can use a smaller crochet hook and pull both the tail yarns on either side through the stitches that as shown here. So you can just pull them through the stitches. Similarly do for the other tail yarn also, pull them through some of the existing stitches and then trim them off. So now our bunny is done, bunny face is done. We just have to add the eyes. So I have these googly eyes. I am just using some fabric glue and I am sticking them onto the face. And now I'm going to show you how to make the nose for the bunny. So I'll be making a small pom-pom, and if you know how to make a pom-pom you can skip this part and make one yourself. So I'm rolling the yarn around my finger a number of times, then I'm using another small yarn and tying it around the center part of this bunch of yarn and placing 2 knots, and then I'll be cutting the edges. So just cut these loops on both the sides And now when you have to trim the edges into a roundish kind of shape, and you do not need much, you do not need to have long yarn, since the nose just needs to be a roundish shape and can be small, so just trim off as much as required. You can also, after trimming a bit, stitch it onto the face of the bunny and then decide if you need to trim more. So you, instead of this pom-pom, you could also use a pink color bead and just stitch it on as the nose, but I feel using this pom-pom makes the bunny look more cuter. So I'm using a needle and I'm just passing it through the center of the magic ring, and then I'm just pulling one of the yarn through one of the stitches so that I can place a knot between both the tail yarns, and that will secure the pom-pom to the bunny face. And I'll just pull the tail yarn through some of the existing stitches to hide them and then trim off the excess. Similarly, I'll do it for the other tail yarn also. You can also dab a bit of glue to the edge of this tail yarn so that it is hidden. And so here the other tail yarn also is trimmed, and as you can see, the bunny face is almost ready. I do feel that I need to trim off a little bit more of the pom-pom to give the nose a more rounder kind of shape, so I'm trimming off the excess after I have stitched it onto the bunny face. And as you can see, now the nose is much rounder and smaller in size and is proportional to the face, and looks much better. So this is like a very simple pattern and easy pattern. You can make a number of them and give them to your loved ones. I really do hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and if you did so, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications, and also give me a thumbs up for this video, guys. Have a great day, and thank you very much for watching.